Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording quality on this device. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to open our settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and find additional settings option. And here we have to open screen recorder. And now right here we have this video quality option that we can change however we want to. And also we can change resolution of our recordings. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!